Did you know there's an insect so deadly that just one can kill a human being? Meet the Japanese giant hornet, a flying nightmare the size of your thumb. These aren't your backyard wasps. They're death machines with quarter-inch stingers that pump venom so toxic, victims describe it as hot nails being hammered into their flesh. But here's what makes them truly terrifying. Their venom doesn't just cause pain. It actually dissolves human tissue while you're still alive. And one of those 8 different toxins, it sends out a chemical signal that calls for backup, marking you as a target for every other hornet in the area. These monsters fly 25 miles per hour for hours without stopping. Their jaws are so powerful they can decapitate 40 honeybees every single minute. When they attack humans, they don't come alone. Swarms of 20 to 30 hornets overwhelm victims, causing kidney failure and cardiac arrest in minutes. They kill 50 people every year in Japan alone. And now, they've invaded North America. Scientists are absolutely terrified of what comes next.